We're doing today. This is gold, Xauusd. Let's go. So last week I opened a trade right here. I think somewhere around here. Yes. I opened a trade and it ran for quite some time just for it to come down and close me out in loss right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you the result eventually. You're gonna see it at the top right there. Okay, it's a very, very painful trade. Why? Because my target is just above here, very close, just to move from here to here. I mean, what is so hard about that? But the market don't always care, right? If you just do what's gonna do. So I'm taking another shot at buying. Okay, I'm taking another shot at buying gold, and I opened it yesterday. It's been running quite well, but this time my stop loss is below here. The reason why my stop loss were above here in the first place is because I was trying to tighten the stop loss, see if I can take this nitwit kind of trade. I'll just keep running up and then with a very small tight stop loss, get a very big risk to reward. But most time those things don't work for me. When I use tight stop loss, sometimes it always come back to bite me in the behind. He always come back to bite my behind. So this time around, my stop loss is below here, all right, which means that if the market eventually come all the way down here, break this big zone right here, you can see how that big. This one is around 80 to 100 pip itself. Okay, just from here to here, it's around 80 to 100 pip itself. So let's check it out. Let's check it out very quickly. Okay, so from here, no, it's not like 75 pips. Give or take 75 pips. That's a very big zone. So my stop loss is around 220, 260 pips. Okay. I'm just targeting around 580, just 1:2, something like that for now. All right. I like to scale in. I like to trade my stop and all like that. So that's something I'm going to do with this trade anyways. But for now, the trade is still running decently in a very small profit, very close to break even, anyways. Very close to break even. Actually, at break even. So, however, if the market gets to this area, I'm gonna trail my stop because I've already lost like two trades back to back. I lost a buy here, and then I couldn't sell all of these, which is quite painful. Okay, I couldn't sell those, and then I lost another buy here. So that's been very emotional. That's kind of very heavy on my drawdown, and I don't like having so many drawdowns, when it's actually avoidable. So what I'm gonna do is the moment the market gets to this area, I see that the notification right there. When it gets there, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna trail my stop loss. I don't do this and I don't like doing it, but I think for the sake of my account, it warrants it. It's not like I'm in the crazy drawdown, but May has been very pretty hectic. Let me say hectic. It's been roller coaster. It's not been very consistent. So I just want to protect the account just for a minute. All right. And then once everything is fully settled, when we are back to our winning streak, then I'm gonna leave it to keep running its course. But for now, I don't really want to put too much pressure on myself or my accounts. So I'm also trying to reduce the risk on this trade. Now I'm actually risking very little on it. I'm not even risking up to 0.5%. Okay, just quite small. All right, small amount of money on it. So that's fair. Okay, but the market bounce up, do a pullback, then I can scale in, risk 1%, and still adjust my stop loss for sure. Okay, and then you see how it goes from there. But if the market come all the way down again, close me out right here, then probably buyers have actually or eventually lose their stuff, lose their strength. So I will be looking for sell trade without looking back moving forward. If this structure right here, okay, this zone right here got taken out, okay, if it got taken out, then I'll start looking for short trade. So let's see how the market has been doing for a very long time. Now let's go to a much higher time frame. Okay, right there. As you can see, the market is still quite bullish, and That is why I'm still buying. Another fact, I'll be targeting all the way back to all-time high, right there at the top. Okay, that's where I will be targeting. That's my plan, honestly, and that's around 5%, 5.12 risk to reward, which is very beautiful. All right, I'd really love to see that happen. If I'm fortunate enough to get that, then God is good. But if it happens that I don't get it, and this zone right here, that zone I actually want to show you. This zone right here, you can see how many times it's been touched. Okay, this one right here got taken out to the downside. Then eating this area will be very easy for gold, and I will sell. Believe me, I'm gonna take that sell. And then if this area also, which has been tested just twice, okay, also got taken out, then this place will be the next target. And I will sell that place too. Believe me, I'm gonna sell it and I'm gonna share it with you. I'm gonna carry you all along. Okay, so the best thing to do now is just be patient and see how the market's gonna play out. The close out and loss is fine, it's part of the deal, it's what I signed up for. Okay, but if it happens to give me profit, I'm gonna take it as well. It's fine, it's what I signed up for. Alright. So that's the plan for me. I'll be looking forward to this, but I'll be so happy if this happen. Alright. If the buy trade happen, I'll be happy. But if the sell trade formation eventually comes through, I will look forward to that and I will take it. Alright. I would really love to take that. So that's the plan anyways. There's nothing serious about gold for now. You can see it's still very much bullish. Okay. It's just very, 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 very bullish. So it's not the time to start looking for short trade unless you want to short sell. Alright. And if you're gonna short sell, then you have to do it on a much smaller time frame. But a big and swing short should be taken far below here. Okay, it should be taken far below here. All right, and a buy trade can actually be taken anywhere above here also, anywhere above here. Okay, up to this area. All right, I was taking a buy trade here. How funny could that be? And you happen to be profit a little bit before the whole thing dropped down like bananas. All right, which is fine anyway. So I'm gonna catch you next time, guys. It's still bullish. It's still looking good. The trade is fine, I guess, for now. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next couple of hours, but the trade is fine for now. So I'm gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see. I'm gonna update you tomorrow. Excuse me. I'm gonna update you next week. All right. Have a nice day, guys. Bye for now.